Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Have you ever wondered about cooking unicornfish? This intriguing marine creature, known for its distinctive horn, holds a delightful secret for your palate. Its firm, white flesh boasts a delicate sweetness, similar to snapper or grouper, making it a fantastic culinary canvas. You'll find it incredibly versatile, ready to absorb flavors beautifully, whether you're grilling, baking, or pan-searing. Get ready to explore how this unique fish can elevate your home cooking to new, delicious heights. Before diving into cooking, preparing your unicornfish properly ensures the best flavor and texture. First, give your fish a good rinse under cold water, then use a scaler to remove all its scales completely. Next, make a shallow incision along its belly and carefully remove the internal organs. Once clean, you can either cook it whole or, for easier eating, skillfully fillet it by cutting along the backbone to separate the flesh from the bones. This careful preparation sets the stage for a truly fantastic dish. Unicornfish truly shines with simple cooking methods that highlight its natural attributes. Grilling or baking are excellent choices, as the gentle, even heat brings out its inherent sweetness and maintains its pleasant firm texture. If you prefer a crispy exterior, pan-searing is fantastic. A hot skillet and a touch of oil will give you that irresistible golden crust while keeping the inside wonderfully moist. Whichever method you choose, you're set to create a tender, flavorful meal that celebrates this unique fish. Let's try a simple, delicious recipe: baked citrus herb unicornfish. Start by patting your fillets dry, then whisk together the juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a handful of fresh chopped dill, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Drizzle this vibrant marinade over your fish, letting it rest for just 10 minutes to absorb the bright flavors. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes, or until the fish is opaque and flakes effortlessly with a fork. It's a truly delightful, light meal. Once your unicornfish is perfectly cooked, consider how you'll serve it to truly complete the experience. Its delicate flavor profile shines brightest when paired with light, fresh side dishes. Think about serving it alongside steamed green beans, a bright quinoa salad, or perhaps some simply roasted baby potatoes. A final garnish of fresh parsley or a bright lemon wedge adds both visual appeal and a refreshing zest, enhancing every bite. Enjoy savoring the unique taste of this wonderful fish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.